Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called Paracode from the Dice CTF Capture the Flag competition. Now, the challenge description says that I do not think that this API needs any sort of security testing and it only executes and retrieves the output of ID and PS commands. The flag format is given to us along with an IP address that we can reach out to. Now, if you were to see here, you'll see that in the first line itself, it says it is requiring a file called flag.php. Now, if I were to go to that page, you'll see that I do not get anything. So let's just go through the source code. It is expecting a get parameter by the name of start, as you can see here, and it says that this is a get parameter. So as you can guess, we'll have to supply in a parameter by the name of start. Now there's a blacklist array, and as you can guess, if I were to supply in any command that is in the blacklist, it won't execute. But there is one more thing here. What will happen is if the parameter that I supply in has a length greater than 4 or greater than 4, it will say please enter a valid command. And let's just see what happens if I were to type in who am I. You'll see that it says please enter a valid command. So let's just type in ID. As you can see, this is less than 5 and it ends up executing it. But what happens if I were to type in cat and everything? Again, it will say please enter a valid command. So you can guess that I will not be able to find out anything or even cat out the contents of flag.php. So I was quite stuck at this moment because I had no idea which command would work and which would not. So what I did here was I waited for the CTF to get over so that the write-ups would be here, and since the write-ups are officially here, you'll see that there is a special command that I had no idea that it existed before. So this command is called m4, and if I were to type in the name of the file along with it, you'll see that the content of the file get output. So what is this command? So m4 is for macros. So if I were to type in tag help, you'll see that it is a it is used to process the macros in files. So let's just see how we can use it to get our flag. And since this is going to be less than 5 characters, it will end up executing it. So what I'm doing is I'm entering m4, and for space I am giving it a plus sign. This is so that this doesn't end up breaking it, and along with an asterisk sign. This says that everything that is in the directory will be output. So let's just see, and if I were to press Ctrl U or Command U, you'll see that I get the flag right here. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.